Hello, welcome to how to solve these equations for x and y. X plus y is equal to 20 and xy is equal to 44. We name this equation equation 1 and this equation equation 2. And from equation 1 we can find the value of y by moving this x to the right side. Y is equal to 20 and we move this plus x to the right side, it becomes negative x. We name this equation equation 3. Now from equation 3 we put the value of y 20 minus x in equation 2. X times value of y 20 minus x is equal to 44. Next, x times 20 20x, and x times negative x square is equal to 44. Now we move this 44 to the left side. We write this negative x here first. Negative x square plus 20x, and this positive 44 becomes negative 44 at the left side is equal to 0. Now because here we have negative x square, to make it positive we multiply both sides of this equation by negative 1. Left side we multiply by negative 1, and the right side we multiply by negative 1. Negative 1 times negative x square, and negative 1 times plus 20x minus 20x, and negative 1 times negative 44 plus 44 is equal to 0 times negative 1, 0. Now this is a quadratic equation and can be solved by quadratic formula. In this equation a is equal to 1 and b is equal to negative 20 and c is equal to 44, and quadratic formula is x is equal to negative b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. In this formula we put the values of a, b and c. X is equal to minus value of b negative 20 plus minus square root of value of b negative 20 square minus 4 times value of a 1 times value of c 44 divided by 2 times value of a 1. Next, x is equal to minus positive 20 plus minus square root of minus 20 square is equal to 400, and minus 4 times 1 times 44 is equal to minus 176 divided by 2 times 1, 2. Next, x is equal to 20 plus minus square root of 400 minus 176 is equal to 224 divided by 2. Next, x is equal to 20 plus minus square root of, if we factorize this 224, we factorize it. First we divide it by 2 one time, and 2 times 4. Again divide by 2 5 times 10 and 2 6 times 12. Again divide by 2 times 4 and 2 8 times 16. Again divide by 2 1 time, 2 4 times. So we have here 2 times 2 and here 2 times 2. We can write this 224 as 2 square times 2 square times 14 divided by 2. Next, x is equal to 20 plus minus, this square will be cancelled with the square root and this square will be cancelled with the square root. So this 2 times 2 comes out of the square root. 2 times 2, 4 times square root of 14 divided by 2. Next, x is equal to, we can factor out 2 from these two terms. 2 times 20 divided by 2 is 10 plus minus 4 divided by 2, 2 times square root of 14 divided by 2. Next, this 2 will be cancelled with this 2 and x is equal to 10 plus minus 2 times square root of 14. So from here x has two values. x1 is equal to 10 plus 2 times square root of 14 and x2 is equal to 10 minus 2 times square root of 14. So this is the value of x1 and this is the value of x2. Now to find the values of y, we put these values of x in equation 3. Y is equal to 20 minus x. Equation 3 is y is equal to 20 minus x. In this equation, first we put the value of x1, 10 plus 2 times square root of 14. Y is equal to 20 minus value of x1, 10 plus 2 times square root of 14 is equal to 20. This minus will changes the signs of these two terms. This positive 10 becomes negative 10 and this positive 2 times square root of 14 becomes negative 2 times square root of 14. Next, 20 minus 10, 10 minus 2 times square root of 14. This is the value of y1. Now in this equation we put the value of x2. Y is equal to 20 minus value of x2 is 10 minus 2 times square root of 14. Next, 20, this minus will changes the signs of these two terms. This positive 10 becomes negative 10 and this negative 2 times 14 square root becomes positive 2 times square root of 14. Next, 20 minus 10, 10 and plus 2 times square root of 14. This is the value of y2. So this is the value of y1 and this is the value of y2. So we have two sets of solutions. The first set is x1 comma y1 is equal to value of x1 10 plus 2 times square root of 14 and value of y1 10 minus 2 times square root of 14. And the second one is x2 comma y2 is equal to value of x2 is 10 minus 2 times square root of 14. Value of y2 is 10 plus 2 times square root of 14. Now to verify these values of x and y, we put these values in the original equation. The original equations are x plus y is equal to 20 and xy is equal to 44. First we put the values of x and y in this equation. Value of x is 10 plus 2 times square root of 14. Value of x 10 plus 2 times square root of 14 plus value of y is 10 minus 2 times square root of 14 is equal to 20. This positive 2 times square root of 14 will be cancelled with this negative 2 times square root of 14, and this 10 plus this 10, 20 is equal to 20. You can see that left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Now we put the values of x and y in this equation. Value of x is 10 plus 2 times square root of 14 times value of y is 10 minus 2 times square root of 14 is equal to 44. Now here we have 10 plus 2 times square root of 14 times 10 minus 2 times square root of 14. So according to algebraic identity, a plus b times a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. This 10 plus 2 times square root of 14 times 10 minus 2 times square root of 14 is equal to 10 square minus 2 times square root of 14 square is equal to 44. 10 square is 100 minus 2 square is 4 times this square will be cancelled with the square root, and here left 14 is equal to 44. Next, 100 minus 4 times 14, 56 is equal to 44, and 100 minus 56 is 44 is equal to 44. From here you can see that left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So it is proved that the values of x and y are correct.